Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Let's get a close-up of that. Can you see it? Get a real close-up. Yeah, there you go. Joined March 13th, 2008. That's today. That's 13 years ago today. Over 40 million views. Can you see that? Let's get closer. 40 million views. 40 million views. That's what this video is about. I'm not kidding. This is my website. That's Live Life 365. I'm not making that up. That's me, Foster. Hey, Foster here. That's it. I'm celebrating 40 million views on YouTube. That's, to me, is a pretty big deal. I know a few of my videos have made quite a few views, but a lot of them, you know, just chip away, get 1,000 here, 10,000 there, 20,000 there, 50,000 there, 100,000 there. When you think about how many people have been on YouTube, and even put videos on YouTube, even made channels on YouTube, the chances of success are, they're very, very rare. I read about this kid last year. He's like 8 or 10 or some young age. He reviews games, kids games, and he's the richest guy on YouTube. He makes millions and millions and millions of dollars. I do okay financially, but nowhere near that. But the reason for this video is I want to thank everybody for your years of watching me. I started off as a self-help channel, and I turned it into, you know, healthy living, and I'm still about healthy living. But you know, I made a few food videos, and they did very well. And you know, I do a lot of food videos, but I still try to talk a little about things that ways to make your life better. I'm always about positive lifestyle, and the fact that I've been on for 13 years, which is kind of crazy. It's cool. I appreciate the fact that I'm still relevant. I'm still posting every week, and for over 40 million videos. That means a lot to me. So I wanted to thank everybody, all my subscribers, all the people who have come to Live Life 365 from all my other videos out there. Seriously, I want to thank my omelet video, perfect omelet video, my perfect fried egg video, and my killer fried egg sandwich, to name but a few. Yeah, you know, I also have how to deal with the sunflower seeds. That's over 1 million. I have lots of videos that have lots of views, and it's all because of people like you. So I want to thank you, and I want to celebrate 13 years on YouTube. Look for another 13, and another. I'd like to get over 100 million views someday. That would be my goal. Salute, peace, and thank you. Tell people about it. Until next time.
Live life 365.
Now I read about this kid from last year. This is for the outtake right here. Scratchy nose, and then a sip. All right, there's something up there in this thing. I don't know what that is. It's just like doing the thing. Well, you can see some. Hey, maybe you want to see some of the. There's all the. What the? Who's got that? What? He's got that many books in here? Are you kidding me? Who's this dude? Look at all those books. That's the sweet Babu if I ever saw one. And that's not even half my book collection. But you guys have seen that before. Let's go back here. Yeah, that's the station. That's where it all started. Let's get closer to that. I just want to make sure people know I'm not lying. That's Foster. Yeah. You see him? Yeah, you see that guy? Everyone says he looks like, Mike, you look like you're picking your nose. Well, I'm holding an apple. And, you know, my nose, my finger might have been near my nose. Where is that? Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's picking his nose. That's not good.